Both Trump and Melania meme coins have been performing phenomenally over the last really 24 to 48 hours here. Now, I'm going to be going over some of the reasons why we're seeing such price action. Clearly, it is volatile, so understand that if you guys are going to grab some. Volatility is extremely high right now, but the price action is doing very well as well. So let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay Bro, and as you can see, Trump and I'm gonna click on Melania here. This is Trump coin and Melania meme coin. Both of them spiked up significantly yesterday. This is the hourly chart here. You can see very similar price action. Spiked up significantly yesterday with Melania meme going from 9 cents to 15 cents, and of course Trump here going from, what was it? Over the last couple of days, roughly $5, $6, all the way up to $8. And of course, some people are taking profit as the price moves on. So let's discuss what's happening here. And I found a very good article that goes over this price action. It says Trump and Melania meme coin surge after the president says U.S.-China trade deal will happen. Now, of course, the major declines, and this was wild, right? During this period of time, when the 100% tariffs were announced and liquidations were taking place like crazy, Trump's meme coin went from essentially $8 down to $1.43 on exchanges like KSEX. Melania meme, I believe, came down to about 4 cents on the KSEX exchange. Major declines, of which the price has already recovered significantly. And as a matter of fact, $8 is the highest that we have seen in quite some time. So with that, I do believe we're going to see continued gains in both Trump and Melania meme. So let's talk about what's happening here, what some analysts are saying. Now, this is the quick take. And it says President Trump's official Trump meme coin rose by as much as 30% hours after the U.S. president said he expected to get a trade deal done with China. Most centralized exchange trading of Trump took place on Binance, according to CoinMarketCap, and the Melania meme coin, inspired by the First Lady, Melania Trump, rose by over 45%. Now, President Donald Trump's official meme coin had its best day in months, jumping as much as 30% on Monday, and it rose above $8 after starting the day around $6, according to the block price data. The last time Trump saw a major upward move came during a period of volatility. On Monday, the meme coin was changing hands at 7:52 at 3:42 p.m. For months, the meme coin had been trading between a range roughly $8 to $10 before it dropped significantly earlier this month to about $5.40 after the president announced retaliatory tariffs on China. Price increase on Monday came hours after the president said he expected to get a trade deal done with China. It says, I have a lot of respect for President Xi, and we are going to come to away with a deal, the president said on Monday morning. Guys, look, the fear that is taking place in the market, right? We saw the fear and greed index drop to a level of essentially 30 fear over the last couple of days. And that's due to the fact that people are unsure about what's going to happen between China and the United States. Well, we've been through this exact same situation before. We saw the same declines. We saw the same level of fear. And not only were negotiations made, all-time high prices were hit. The United States is in a better position than it's ever been before, and I believe we will see similar results this time around. So because of that, I am continuing to accumulate. Now, one of the places I am buying is the KSEX exchange. You guys got a link for that down there. But I hold I own both Trump and Melania meme, and I hold them on the blockchain. So if you guys are interested in holding cryptocurrency on the blockchain, make sure to check out Best Wallet. If you guys click that link down there, it's going to pull up the Apple App Store, the Google Play Store, whatever phone you got, so you know you're getting the correct app. It's a free download, and it's self-custody, so you guys can check it out if you would like to hold cryptocurrency on the blockchain. But do not forget to diversify, right? And one of the tokens that I have been diversifying into lately is Bitcoin Hyper. These guys have raised over $25 million just in the last couple of months. The price continues to rise every single, well, I can't say every single day, but the price continues to rise every single time this timer ticks down, which is roughly 2 to 3 days. And right now, it is sitting at $25.1 million raised. They've been able to accumulate 15,000, I believe, 800 followers. 15,100 followers out on their X account. So they are growing, so make sure to check them out. But nonetheless, what they're doing is building a layer 2 blockchain for Bitcoin. It works as follows. You bridge over from Bitcoin and Bitcoin Hyper. You transact on the layer 2. When those transactions utilizing zero knowledge proofs are sent back to Bitcoin where they're validated. And of course, when you're ready to withdraw, you simply initiate the request and it sends your tokens back to your layer 1 Bitcoin wallet. A layer 2 blockchain for Bitcoin is going to bring a lot of utility. But of course, as Bitcoin continues to hit new all-time highs, Bitcoin tokens like this one should do well as well. So I'm excited about this market. I'm excited about the catalysts ahead. I'm excited about trade deals. I'm excited about interest rate cuts. I'm excited about the government reopening and all of the positive catalysts we got on the horizon. If I fall victim to the fear, if I fall victim to the neutral sentiment and I'm not willing to accumulate, of course I will not see gains. So that is exactly what I'm doing. I'm accumulating, I'm waiting for gains, and I'm ready to go. Let me know what you guys are doing down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.